Right, I've just got the new SBC220 out. This is the one with the double doors. I thought I would video this because I've just seen the instructions. Here's the instructions. Total waste of time by the looks of things. Look at this. Shadow over it. Anyway, crap. But anyone with a bit of savvy will know how to put it together. And I'm going to do this anyway, so it might help. In case you get stuck. Just crap. Right, let's see how we get on. See what we got. Right, I've taken it out of the box. There is the top section all built up. That comes assembled. Right. Don't forget to take that protective covering off when it's all built. Sometimes people don't realise it's there to protect the glass. And then you've got the hopper here. That's in one section as well. That would be the tray, and I'm guessing that this here underneath is part of the leg kit. There we are. That's temporarily held together with two screws either side. You're going to have to need them. Here's the legs in a separate box. Some sealing tape. This extraction port. Loads of little screws. Gun nozzles. There are some spare screen protectors as well. So let's have a crack and see how we get on with this. Right, these instructions really are terrible. So there's the net support, I think they're calling it. And there's the hopper. Obviously this bit is the front. Just look at the way the hatchet drops down towards the front. All right, and here's my legs. Your tray, and what I'm going to do, the instructions say different, but I'm going to build a leg support first and see how I get on with it, because it's a joke. These instructions are a joke. Look at this. Let's see how we get on with it. Right, so I've got the legs here. I'm doing it different to what the instructions. So there's the legs, and I'm using, if you look there, 3 of these little things. 3 in each corner. Because I've noticed that they're like, you know, countersunk. Oh, bollocks. Excuse the French. Hang on, I can't see. There. Right. So now I've done that. I'm going to put the shelf on next to give it the legs a bit of stability. Rightio, there's the tray. Oh, that's in. That's giving it a lot more strength. And for that I used them. Okay, so now I'm going to put the hopper in next. Just thought I'd mention quickly, I'm going to drop the hopper in now. There's the hopper waiting to go in. I'm not going to put any sealant around this bit, because obviously there's a lip and nothing's going to escape, because the top and the, you'll see in a minute anyway, but it's provided with one roll of that, and I'll show you where that goes in a sec. There's the hopper dropped in. Now for that piece. Right, now I've put that piece on. What I will say, it's worth making sure, because now seal them up so you know where your holes are. So all the way around, because now we're going to put this strip all the way around here. Right, and then the cabinet will get lifted on top of it, and then we will put these bolts through to connect the top to the bottom. So there's the cabinet. section, top section. Cats come to have a look. So's the alpacas. This is the kind of crazy world that we live in. What's that? 3 of them to come for a nose. Do you mind? I want to get some work done here. I'm trying to show these lovely people how to put one of these cabinets together, because the instructions just as well be in Chinese. So I'm going to carry on with that. Oh look, just for your entertainment, we're going to have a shuffle in the dust, are we? Watch. Dusty floor. Are we going to? Yeah. Anyway, there's the cabinet. Pretty much built. I'll get on with this now if I'm allowed to get on with it. Oh yeah, they want some dust. Okay, there you go. That's all those little screws all the way around in solid. It's coming together lovely. And obviously I've put the grill in. Now we're going to look at this in the front. It's that hole there. In the box you'll get a little bag here. That is for your air. That's the air fitting fixed. It's the inside there. See, no, it's a seal. So this little pipe. This little pipe is going to be for this orange pipe. Will go on there, and you will fasten that with a clip that is provided, like that. And then the other end of this you will connect to your gun. On the front, you don't really have to keep that fitting there. That's a 1/4. So depending on what you're using, you can just screw a quick release 1/4 PSP in there. But better than that, stick a high flow. High flow is always better when you're blasting, because if you use a small one, then you're restricting the air going into the cabinet. So, but I suppose it depends on what cabinet you want, your compressor you're using. So that would be the one that I would use, because it's got a high flow fitting. And really you want 18 CFM upwards to run this cabinet. No point using it with a little farty one. You stood waiting for your compressor to recharge all the time. So that's the air supply to go into the cabinet. So I've connected that to the gun, and then you have this pipe then that will connect there onto the pipe that sticks up from the hopper through the grill, and that will draw the media up and out your gun. So all I've got left now are these 3. So this here goes here, like that, and that you can connect a dust extractor to that port there, and this port here is for it to breathe. Now you will notice in the box, for some reason they put these. Do not block them up. Don't block the holes, because if you block the holes, you're filling the cabinet full of compressed air. And if it can't breathe out of this one, then the air has got to escape somewhere. And when you've got media being fired into the machine with nowhere to go, it's going to find the weakest parts to escape. So you will find that you've got media coming out the doors, windows, gloves, all areas, because a simple bung has been put in the back there. Now don't worry about that going all over your workshop by leaving it open, because it's got a channel in there, look. Oh, I forgot to mention LED lights. Nice lighting. So there you go. Don't block up that port. Well, that's it, guys. Built, ready to rock and roll. Sorry it's been a long video, 10 minutes, bloody hell. Anyway, for those who have made it this far, fair play to you. And I hope it's made life a bit easier putting one of these cabinets together, because the instructions just as well be in Chinese, because they are crap. There we are. That is the SBC220 twin door sandblast cabinet. They're on my website, which will be which is sandblasters.co.uk. That one there. Sandblasters.co.uk. Got any questions, you can drop me an email, which is info@sandblasters.co.uk. They are selling very fast at the minute. Obviously, people are on lockdown and all this, what's going on in this crazy, crazy world that we're in. But I hope this has helped. Stay safe. Thanks very much for watching. Take care.